Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy and welcome back to my channel, you guys. All right, happy Vlogmas day 9, you guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I've made it 9 days of recording videos and posting for you guys. Now, my timing may not be right, you guys, but your girl has been on point with posting these videos, so just stay tuned because I'm here for greatness. So before we get into the video, you guys, I want to tell you today's video is going to be all about, you know, blushes for brown skin. I wanted to hop on here and show you guys some of my favorite blushes for my skin type. And actually apply them to my face to show you guys how they look and how you compare and match up blushes for your skin tone. So before we hop into the video, make sure you go right now, hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. So let's go ahead and hop into it, y'all. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys have been coming through, you guys have been showing up, and you guys have been participating, and I love that. So if you are on my page and you are watching my videos, give your girl some thumbs up, watch the video to the end, subscribe, and yes, leave me a comment down below because I want to know you guys' opinion. I love and I enjoy doing this, you guys. So leave some comments down below. Don't just ride through, you know, and don't say nothing. Leave a comment. So first and foremost, you guys, I did want to say that I've been wanting to do this video for the longest time, but I am super uber busy. Like, my schedule is all over the place, but I picked out some of my favorite blushes, you guys, and as well as highlights, because I want to show you guys a great combination of the blushes and as well as the highlighter. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the first one. Some of these products are drugstore, some of them are like full price, so, or more higher end. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So you do not have to have a lot of money or spend a lot of money, you guys, to pick out the perfect blush. You guys know I'm all for drugstore brands of blushes or any type of makeup products in any drugstore. So I'm gonna gear towards that more so of more high end, unless the higher end product is really a good product. So the first blush that I'm actually gonna show you guys is the Milani. So first of all, I actually love tones and shades like this. I feel as if for my skin type, which is more medium to dark skin, this is a great blush for you to have. First and foremost, it's just gonna pop on your cheeks. It's gonna give you life, it's gonna give you color. It's just gonna give your face a whole nother dimension when you actually apply it. So this color is 05 Coral, you guys. These are some great tones to actually have on your actual skin tone if you're more of medium to darker skin. If you're more lighter skin, this will pretty much blend more in with your skin and it'll just kind of like whiten you out, and you don't want that. So if you are more of a medium to darker skin, I would gear towards more of a lighter shades of blushes. If you are more of a light to maybe tan, I would try to stick more to lighter shade, darker shades, if that makes sense. Alright, you guys, so I don't have any blush on my face at all whatsoever. So I'm actually going to apply this one on my face because I do want to show you guys what it looks like on my actual skin tone. So let's go ahead and do that now, and I'm going to show you the highlighter that I'm going to pair up with this one. I'm going to go in, you guys. This is actually a brightening brush. I actually use it to apply all of my highlighters, any of my blushes onto my face. I absolutely love it. It's really perfect. And then as far as my highlighters, I actually use a fan brush. This is the Morphe Y13 brush. It's one of my favorites. I will tag everything down below so that way if you guys want to shop it, you can shop it. So we're going to go ahead right now, you guys, and actually add the Milani. You guys, so here is the blush for the Milani. This is 05 Coral. I think it's really pretty on the cheeks, you guys. It just literally like insinuates my face all the way. It's like a nice color, but it's not so poppy. It is a lighter color, but it's not too bright, and it's not washing my skin tone out at all. So you guys, one of my favorite highlighters that I've had for so many years, like, oh my gosh, I really wish that they would have a lot of their makeup products back like they used to back in the day, but they don't, is the Victoria's Secret, you guys. This is their highlighter, you guys. This is so old, like, oh my gosh. The name of it is called Show and Tell. I've had this for years. I was probably in my 20s when I had this, you guys, but it lasts for so long, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Victoria's Secret, you guys, used to have the bomb makeup, and I really don't understand why they stopped selling it, but oh my goodness, it was my favorite. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my fan brush, you guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of that on my fan brush because it is messy, as you guys can see. We're gonna pat some of that out because that's just too much. Y'all, I'm making a mess. I am making a mess. So these next highlighters and blushes I'm actually going to be swatching on my hand, only because I already have, you know, the first set on my face. I can't just be wiping off and putting it back on, but I definitely want to show you some of the brands and the products that I actually use, like I said, on my skin, and maybe if you want to shop it, if you have my skin tone or you darker, you can shop it. So my next item, you guys, is going to be the Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup is one of my favorite brands. It has become one of my favorite brands. It is a clean makeup, so it's vegan, cruelty free. This is their holographic stick, you guys. The color of this one is called Stardust. I absolutely love this. Now, when I first got this, you guys, it came in like a subscription box, and I'm like, I don't know what this is. I've never really heard of it. I don't think I want this. But you guys, once I got it on my skin, I actually used it in one of my makeup looks. I'm like, oh my gosh, I really, really like this. It's more of a darker pink color, but it's not super dark. It's more of your medium dark pink, but I love it, you guys. It's so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand for you guys. It's really gorgeous, and I love how it's like a lip balm. Like, you can just do that, you know. Bring it up. I'm gonna swatch it just so you guys can actually see how pretty that it is. And they actually still have it on their website, you guys, so if you definitely want to shop it, you can shop it. And they actually have different colors too. So, but this color is so pretty, you guys. Again, it's so just neutral. You can still wear it, you know, for all year round. Honestly, I would. Why not? But look how pretty that is. So you guys, this already has a little bit of like, you know, like a little bit of a shimmer glow to it. But if I wanted to, I probably could pair it up with the Revlon lights, you guys. This one is so gorgeous. If you have not checked it out, try it. It's one of their new ones from Revlon. Oh my gosh, the color of this one is 202 Twilight Gleam. If you guys just want to know, I will tag it down below still. But let's go ahead and swatch this one on the hand. You guys, when I tried this one, I was like, oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So there's the one from Revlon, you guys. Let's kind of get that to zoom and focus in. So that's from Revlon, and I absolutely love it, you guys. I think it's so pretty. It gives off like a nice golden color, but still you have that glow there. It's not too over exaggerated. All right, you guys, so here is the Wet n Wild. Do you guys see how pretty that is? That is really good, and it looks so good on the skin tone. These are just swatches on the hand, you guys, but still the colors look so good. So if you were to apply this, you apply this onto your face based off how heavy you want it. So if you want it light, it's going to be a little bit lighter, but still going to have that nice shimmer and glow and highlight that you actually want, plus some color onto your face. So I think this is a great inexpensive drugstore brand and product for you guys to actually have. And this is one of my favorites. When I got it, I was like, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. All right, you guys, so the next blush and highlighter combo is going to be from Colourpop. Colourpop came out like maybe around this summertime with their Candyland collection, you guys. I picked up the actual, what is it called? Candyland or Colourpop Land Gumdrop Pass, you guys. So this one is their Super Shock Cheek. So the color of this one is 20G4. So pretty, you guys. Let me open that up for you guys. The color is just so pretty. It's gonna look so good onto your skin tone. You guys, it actually kind of matches my nails. But yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and swatch this one because I absolutely love their Super Shock blushes. So let's go ahead and put it on the cheeks. I mean on my back of my hand. Okay, you guys, so this one's more of a blush to me. It doesn't really have a lot of the highlighter in there, so with this one I would definitely add a separate highlighter on the side, but I love the color. The color goes really good with my skin tone. As you can see, my nails are, you know, similar to it. This is just a little bit lighter, but It goes really good onto the Milani brown skin tone, like I said, or even darker. It'll look really, really pretty on. A great color to wear like right now. Pair it up with some of your favorite palettes that you're putting on or rocking on your eyelids. I would highly recommend you guys do this, and this actually smells like gumdrops. It smells sweet and sugary like candy. So definitely, you guys, they may still have this on their website. Again, I will tag everything down below, but this is a really pretty color for you guys to actually have and rock onto your cheeks. All right, you guys, and the last blush is gonna come from Ciate London. It is so pretty. First of all, I love the decor on that. That's so cute. This one is called Marble Lights Burnt, okay? So that's the inside of it. I love that it has the mirror there. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how marbled and pretty that color, those tones are. So you have more of your darker shade, and then you also have some lighter, you know, in there. So it's almost like a blend. So it's gonna give you a nice blend out when you apply it to your cheeks. Again, a great color. It's very similar to the Colourpop, you guys, just a little bit deeper, but perfect for like your fall and your winter months when you wanna have more of a deeper tones, you know, on your face. This will go perfect with it because it has like that light to medium look to it. So very pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch this on the back of the hand. Look at that. That is very pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty, you guys. I like that one. That one's a good, this is a good one, you guys. And if you add like a nice gold highlighter to your cheeks with that, that is so pretty. I actually like Ciate London, you guys. I've gotten used to the Ciate London brand. At first I was unsure about it, but I really like the Ciate London. They really have a great brand. They actually have really good products too. So yeah, you guys, I love this. This is really good. All right, you guys, so that concludes today's video, okay? So if you really enjoyed the video and you like it, go ahead right now, give your girl a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I mean, this is an everyday, all day thing for me, so I'm used to it by now. I'm super excited, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.